you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited because April's Fruit for Thought just arrived. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so April Fruit for Thought just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, if you guys caught last month's unboxing, it was all a dill pickle theme, and everything was so good. I would say the sucker out of everything was just like the most unique, I guess, out of it. But I did eat it. It was very weird because you're literally sucking on a sucker and it's tasting like you're eating a pickle. So it kind of is like a weird little like mouth to brain kind of situation, but it was a really good pickle. The whole box was just amazing. And the mustard that had dill in it is so good. It's even really good like on summer sausage with cheese and crackers. Oh my gosh. So I was so thrilled with last month's box. I cannot wait to see what's going to be in this month's box. So without further ado, let's stop waiting and find out. I'm so excited. And that is what it looks like when you first open it up. If you guys did miss my other unboxing, this is a fruit or vegetable theme that they choose, and it'll all follow with that same theme. The color, the scent, the smell, the taste, whatever it could be, it all follows with that theme, which is so cute. So here's the tissue paper for this month with their sticker that says Fruit for Thought. And then, let's see, oop, hold on, that sticker's on there really good. Okay. So then a sneak peek, quickly, was right there. My paper always likes to fall down on you guys like, psych, you don't get to see what's inside. Not yet anyway. All right, so April's theme is Peachy Apricot, and I absolutely love peach. And I love me some apricot, so I'm so excited. If you want a sneak peek of next month, May's theme, it is lemon lime. Ooh, I love lemon and lime. I just really love fruits and vegetables as long as it's not coconut. As long as it's not coconut, and I'm good. So there is this little piece of paper right here, and it says, due to a problem with one of our vendors, the peach scrunchie is not included in the box as listed. So on the paper, it's going to talk about a scrunchie that is not in the box, but it says at Eclair Lips came through for us at the last minute so that we could send you 100% natural peach pie flavored lip balm made with fun, flavor, and joy as a great substitute. And that is a great substitute, you guys, because especially right now, spring and summer, lip balm is a lot better than a scrunchie, even though you could still pull your hair up because it's hot, but to protect our lips from the sun and just drying out. So that's a really good substitute, I'm gonna say. So let's go ahead and see what is all going to be in this box. Let's go with this big guy right here. This is the first thing that I'm going to be pulling out. What are you? This is a cast iron wax warmer set with deliciously scented wax melts. Ooh, I normally use my plugins, which I could always use the wax melts in any of my plugins, but this is super cute that it's a cast iron. Let me open this so we can see what this is and smell the wax melts. It says, we couldn't be more excited to include Classic Farmhouse Candles cast iron wax melt set with a cast iron wax melter and orchard peach wax melts. We threw in a few tea lights for you to get started melting and scenting your house with fresh peaches. That's awesome, because I did see on here that on the very bottom in the corner, like kind of a folded crease, that you can see that little writing right there. That little tiny writing down there does say tea light candles sold separately. So it's really cool that she thought of that and put the tea lights in there so then you can actually start using it immediately. So let's get this open so we can see what it looks like. That is so cute. This says made in India on the bottom. So here is literally a cast iron, and it's actually heavy. So there's a sticker that just says place wax melts here. And that's heavy. It's really like a cast iron skillet. How cute. And then here is the bottom portion. You stick your tea light candle right there. You stick this bad boy, this heavy thing right on top. And then you stick your candle or your melt right on top. And these are so cute. They're shaped like a peach even. They're like a little slice of peach. That is so cool. Ooh. It smells really good. It's not just like a just peach fragrance. I'm kind of picking up a little like peach and mango scented, but that smells really good. I can't wait to burn these, you guys. So you can use this in here, or if you have a plug-in one like I do, you can just use the wax melts in that one. But this is just so cute that it's a cast iron skillet. And I'm telling you, this thing is heavy. So that's how it would look if you're gonna use it like this. And then you have the wax melts. And even just sitting there though, isn't that a cute little display? It just looks like real slices of peaches just sitting out there. People are gonna be like, you guys just peaches chilling? Nope, they're wax melts, bitches. That smells so good though. Look, how cute. That is just simply adorable. Okay, you guys, so enough about that one. Let's keep going and seeing what else is in this box because that is just so cute. Okay, so now it looks like we have something down inside of here. Is this a pair of sunglasses? Yes, it sure is. So then this would be a pair of sunglasses. That is what the frames look like. And then the sides have this color decorative side. And I'm all for sunglasses, especially at this time of year. Let's see. Ooh, and I think those look cute on my big old round dome. They're so cute. So here is a pair of sunglasses. Like I said, this is a really good time of year to be putting in stuff like this in these boxes. So that is awesome. So you have a nice little case that matches the actual side. That's cool that the case matches the actual sides of the glasses as well. The exact same pattern. So that is really neat. So you have the glass case with the pair of glasses. And this one says, now that the sun is finally out, we've included a pair of peach and apricot colored sunglasses and case, perfect for spring. Yes, definitely. And again, I just love that they're a matching set, that they match the protective case. And then you can just keep it down inside here to protect your glasses. You can toss them in your purse, your book bag, your backpack, your car. Keep them at home if you're working outside in the garden like I do, whichever. But that's awesome. So we have a pair of sunglasses. So let's see what else is in here. Oh, so here's the tea light candles. So here's a few tea light candles to go with that. So then to see the whole entire thing, it would look a little like a that. You have your tea light candle down there, and then you have your wax melt and your thing up here. That is so cute. Still so cute. So there's that. Now we have in here is an apricot freesia goat milk whipped sugar scrub. Ooh, and I love sugar scrubs. And that's one thing I haven't received in a very long time is a sugar scrub. This is Blue Heron Farm goat milk whipped sugar scrub. That is so cool. And it's an apricot freesia. It says, one of my favorite scrubs is made with fresh goat milk by Blue Heron Farm, Indiana. The apricot freesia scent that they've made for us has a hint of spring freshness in a blend of bright freesia and apricot. Use coupon code FRUIT15 for 15% off anything on their site. And that is again at Blue, Heron Farm, Indiana. That is so cool. Let me open this up because I definitely want to smell this. And it was made, the scent was made just for our box this month, you guys. And I love that because things are made for this box specifically to go around the theme for that month that you cannot find anywhere else because they're only made for this box. Oh my gosh. There is a blue butterfly right on top. That like hit my heart. How cute is that? Oh, and you smell heavenly. This smells so good, you guys. Yes, definitely I'm picking up on apricot and the freesia. I can't wait to put this in my shower. I'm going to be using this and scrubbing my body tonight. I'm glad I got a sugar scrub. It's been a while. It's been a long while. I cannot wait. Okay, so now you normally always get some type of like a little treat in here as well. So the treat for this month, it says soft and juicy mini apricots, organic, dried, and pitted. And then, then there's a fruit bar, an apricot fruit bar as well. So we have two different things in here. I'm gonna open these and try these out. And then we have the bomb. So let me see what it says for these right here. This month's yummy treats includes at Betty, Lousinc, delicious apricot, gluten-free, all-natural fruit bar with the taste of homemade cobbler. And at fruit_bliss, the organic, soft, and juicy Turkish mini apricots. Ooh, this one is going to sound amazing, and this would probably be really good if you warmed it up a little bit, like put it in the toaster oven and then put in like a little scoop of vanilla ice cream. That sounds amazing. But let's go ahead and open this up and taste this guy. Apricots. See, I love that there's a mixture of peach and apricot in here. This is a really good box. Okay. So that is what they look like right about there. They smell just like an apricot. Ooh. That's not what I expected. That was like a light, like almost like an airy fruit. Like it was a really weird consistency in my mouth, but in a good way. Like I wasn't expecting it. By looking at that, I was just thinking it was just gonna be like all mushy in my mouth. No, it was not mushy at all. That was really, really good. And that tastes really good. Ooh, she found the perfect little snacks for this box, you guys. So going over the lip balm now, this is the one that was peach pie. I love me some peach. Oh my gosh, you can instantly smell peach. Oh, I'm showing you. I always show you things I smell. Candles, everything. That feels amazing, and it smells so good. I love that. Yes, that is perfect time of year for lip balms, the sunglasses, and then everything else is just so cool. So a quick recap of what we got in the Peach and Apricot April 2021 box. So cool. So we have an amazing smelling apricot sugar scrub that I cannot wait to get on my body tonight in the shower. We have mini apricots that I was really surprised on how good these taste. We have this bar right here that I cannot wait to try later. It's the Fruit Bar Apricot, but I cannot wait to give that a try. We have a really cute cast iron skillet wax burner, and then you have the cute little peach slices wax melts. You have the peach lip balm and the pair of sunglasses with the matching case. And again, these actually fit my face. So this is a very good universal size for, I would say, for a lot of face types. I think this would pretty much look good on every face type because they look good on my big old face. So I think those are really, really cool. And I like the little design. And again, I like that they match the case. So that is everything, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the theme for this month? What did you think of the products in the box? Again, next month is going to be lemon lime. Ooh, can't wait. If you want a little bit more information about Fruit for Thought, I will let you know right about now. They do have my own code, which is Crafty10. Crafty10 will save you 10% off your subscription. That's right, 10% off with SheCrafty10. If you want to just do month to month is $39.95. If you go to 3 months, it'll be $113.95. If you go to 6 months, it'll bring it down to $215.95. And if you go to the full year to prepay for the whole entire year, it'll bring it down to $415.95. With the new fruit or vegetable theme each month, it'll include 5 to 7 fun and unusual quality products with an assortment of scents, flavors, and colors relating to that theme. Products may include home accessories, jewelry, luxury bath and body products, stationery, yummy goodies, and so much more. You can also buy a one-time, non-subscription, non-renewing box, like a gift box for you or for somebody that you want to give as a gift. And those are $44.99 for a non-committed box that you can purchase to send to somebody. You can skip or cancel anytime as long as you do that before the 1st of that month. And I really like that you can actually go to their website and you can see the next 3 months in advance of what the themes are. So let's just say hypothetically, you don't like coconut like me. And in 3 months from now, you know it's going to be a coconut theme. Then you can already go ahead and just skip that particular month. Or if you know a coconut loving fan, then you can still get the box and just use it and gift it to somebody. So you always have that option to look in advance up to 3 months to see what theme it's going to be. And if it's not your thing and you just don't want to get that particular theme for whatever reason, you can go ahead and pause or cancel at any time. So I really like that you can get a full 3 months in advance glimpse from their website. So you already know what you're going to be getting into. So I really, really, really like that. And that was just me giving you an example for 3 months. I'm not saying in 3 months they're going to have a coconut theme. Because I hope they don't. But I'm just saying, for example, if it is something that just doesn't tickle your fancy, you can either pause, cancel, or save it and give it as a gift item. So there's different options, you guys. So again, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's box? I'm loving it again. I just love that you get everything curated around that specific theme. So it's a whole experience in itself, and you get things that you'll never know were out there, and you get things that were specifically made for this box only. And I really do like that. So again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.